विद्यापीठ अनुदान मंडळाकडून बॅचलर ऑफ व्होकेशनल स्टडी, मास्टर ऑफ व्होकेशनल स्टडी आणि कम्युनिटी कॉलेज अंतर्गत खालील अभ्यासक्रम सुरू आहे. एक, डिग्री अभ्यासक्रमासाठी ग्राफिक डिझाईन, फाउंड्री टेक्नॉलॉजी, ॲनिमेशन अँड फिल्म मेकिंग आणि 4, फोटोग्राफी अँड व्हिडिओग्राफी. याचबरोबर मास्टर ऑफ व्होकेशनल स्टडीसाठी ग्राफिक डिझाईन आणि फाउंड्री टेक्नॉलॉजी हे अभ्यासक्रम सुरू आहेत. याशिवाय कम्युनिटी कॉलेज अंतर्गत ॲडव्हान्स डिप्लोमा इन फोटोग्राफी आणि डिप्लोमा इन इव्हेंट फोटोग्राफी, डिप्लोमा इन सिनेमॅटोग्राफी, डिप्लोमा इन फाउंड्री टेक्नॉलॉजी हे अभ्यासक्रम सुरू आहेत.
So let me introduce about our opportunities which we get through this field. Film industry, we can work in government sector. Also we can get opportunity working in advertisement. Also we can open a self-ad agency. Also we get to learn about the photography, which includes model photography and product photography. We can work in press. Also we can work as a concept artist, as a government sector officer, etc. So studying in this, I have achieved lots of things through this field.
यामध्ये आपण काम करू शकतो. त्याचबरोबर परफेक्ट ॲनिमेटर बनायचे तर ॲबिलिटी, हार्डवर्क, इमॅजिनेशन, व्हिज्युअलायझिंग हे सर्व मला विवेकानंद कॉलेजमध्ये शिकवले.
It's a golden opportunity for all the students who are taking admission for this course, as they will be trained in systematic and scientific way. Staff is highly qualified and skillful. Practical lab is fully equipped. That is most important, as this course is practical oriented. I feel myself so lucky to be part of this system and actually excited to learn much more.
And our course, Bachelor's in Vocational in Foundry Technology, is offered by Vivekanand College, Kolhapur. This course focuses more on the practical aspect of it and less on theory. Our faculty members are always ready to help us with anything. This is the exactly reason why I've chosen this course.
culture is the legacy of Shikshan Maharishi Dr. Bapuji Salunkhe. Vivekanand College Kolhapur has been striving to fulfill this motto for many years. To add to this, we must impart skills-based knowledge to make our students successful in today's job market. Department of Bivok and Community College was established in our college in 2014-15 with this same aim. With the passage of time, we have succeeded in providing advanced practical skills through industry tie-ups and have achieved 100% placement rate. Our highly trained teachers who are active in media and arts field and are quite experienced in the industry are the designers of the success of this department.